Hello, good morning, all of you. Strategic Financial Management, TYBMS. This is capital budgeting chapter, and we are solving payback period method with the two methods grouped into two, that is traditional payback period method and discounted payback period. From the following details relating to project, calculate the payback period. That means in which year you are going to recover the amount of 10,000 which you are investing now. If the project investment you are doing 10,000, what is the payback period? If the life is 5 years, this is the question, and in these 5 years we are going to get these cash inflows. As you can see, the cash inflows are uneven and the PV factor is given for calculating the discounted payback period. Cost of capital is 10% and PV at 10%. Now with the traditional method, first part is traditional method payback period. In this, you have to do a cumulative of cash inflows. As you can see, the investment cost, that is project cost, is 10,000. It comes in between 7,000 to 11,000. That means it will take 2 years time to recover 7,000. Rest 3,000 we will recover from the third year. As you can see, the inflows in the third year are 4,000. So the difference between 10,000 and 7,000, original cost minus second year cumulative cash inflow divided by third year normal cash inflow. So answer is 2.75 years to recover your investment of 10,000. Next, with the discounted payback period method, we are going to calculate first PV factor at 10%. This is 1 upon 1 plus 0.10 raised to 1, that is 0.909. Second, 1 divided by 1.10 raised to 2. Third, 1 divided by 1.10 raised to 3. But these figures are already given in the question. So if it is not given, then how to calculate? I have told you 1 upon 1.10 raised to 1, and then press equal sign in your calculator. You will get all these figures, and you can note 3 to 4 digits after decimal. So first column is year. This is for discounted cash inflow. Net cash inflow given in the question. PV factor is also given in the question. If it is not given, then you can use the formula of 1 upon 1 plus r raised to n. And PV of cash inflows, you can multiply with this 4,000 into 0.909, 3636, 3,000 into 0.826, 2478, 4,000 into 0.751, 3,004, 2,000 into 0.683, 1366, 4,000 into 0.621, 2484. After calculating the present value, these are future inflows, and we have converted after multiplying with PV factor. This is today's value. Now you can make a cumulative of this 3636. First value you have to write same, then 3636 plus 2478 means first figure and second figure you have to add and you have to write at 6114. Again you have to add third year figure 3004 with 6114. You will get 9118. Now in 9118 you will add the fourth figure 1366. You will get 10484. Now 10484 plus 2484, you will get 12,968. Now we are solving discounted payback method. cost of project. What is the cost of project? 10,000. 10,000 इन दोनों फिगर्स के बीच में आता है, 9118 एंड 10,484. क्या करना है आपको? जब भी क्यूमुलेटिव देखोगे उसके बीच में कहाँ पे 10,000 आपकी कॉस्ट कौन से ईयर में रिकवर हो रही है? थर्ड और फोर्थ ईयर. थर्ड ईयर का 9118 और फोर्थ ईयर का 10,484, इन दोनों के बीच में रिकवर हो रही है, यानी थर्ड ईयर और कुछ मंथ्स लगेंगे आपका अमाउंट रिकवर होने में. थ्री इयर्स. 3 इयर्स, ठीक है, प्लस ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट 10,000 माइनस 9118 तक रिकवर हो रहा है थर्ड ईयर में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 इयर्स लिखा है तो थर्ड ईयर का क्यूमुलेटिव कितना है? 9118. नेक्स्ट अमाउंट, रिमेनिंग अमाउंट you are going to recover from fourth year, that is 1366. जितना थर्ड ईयर तक निकला उसका बाकी का अमाउंट हम लोग कहाँ से ले रहे हैं? फोर्थ ईयर से ले रहे हैं. नाउ आंसर इज 882 डिवाइड बाय 1366. 0.64 आ रहा है. 0.64. 0.6456 आ रहा है, तो 0.65 कर सकते हो. 3.65 years. 3 years plus 0.65. So this is discounted payback method.